In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a meal plan and how to access the shopping list. To start, let's click on the Planner tab from your main navigation. This will take you to your planner, where you can create a new plan by clicking on New. Give your plan a title, then click Create Plan. From here, I can customize the labels on the plan any way I'd like. Changing the labels on the plan allows you to start the meal plan on any day or keep it generic by calling them Day 1, Day 2, Day 3, etc. You can also reorder the meals along the left-hand side. For example, you may want to have breakfast, lunch, and dinner on the plan, and then maybe 2 snacks at the end. This allows you to set up the meal plan however you'd like. You can include up to 7 days and up to 6 meals per day on a single meal plan. If you want to make a meal plan consisting of less days or less meals, just leave those rows or columns blank. If you want to create a longer plan, name the first plan Week 1, the second plan Week 2, etc. Once you have your labels set, you're ready to start adding meals. You can click on a blank slot and search for a meal, set the number of servings you want to make, select the days you'd like to add the meal to, and then click Add. You can also head back to the recipe gallery by clicking on the Recipe tab from your main navigation. From here, you can apply some filters to your search and click Filter. Now you can browse recipes and add them to your plan from within the recipe. When I head back to the Planner tab, I will see that this has been added to my plan. Now let's talk about setting serving sizes and leftovers. When setting serving sizes and marking meals as leftovers, you always need to keep in mind how many people the meal plan is designed to serve. So for example, let's say this meal plan is designed to serve 1 person. I'll want to make sure that this smoothie makes 1 serving each day for breakfast. Now, let's say I want to add overnight oats to the plan, and I want to make it once and eat it multiple times throughout the week as leftovers. To do this, I could add the blueberry overnight oats to my plan on Wednesday and Thursday. I'll make 2 servings on Wednesday, and then I'll mark Thursday's serving as a leftover. When you mark a meal as a leftover, you will see that the meal turns gray. This reminds you that you do not need to cook this meal again. It also lets us know not to add these ingredients to your grocery list again. You can also add a side dish to go with any meal. To do this, just click on the meal where you'd like to add a side dish, and then click on the tab that says Side. From here, you can search for the meal you would like to add as a side dish. To delete a meal from your plan, you can click on the icon with the 3 dots, then select Remove from Plan. And if you want to view the recipe, click on View Recipe Details. You'll notice that we automatically generate the shopping list based on the meals you add to the plan and the number of servings you have set. You can see your shopping list at any point in time by clicking on the List tab. When looking at your list, you can check off any items that you don't need, and you can also add items to the list that you may want to pick up. Anything that you check off the list will not appear on the list when you export it as a PDF. To export your list as a PDF, just click the Export button, which will download the list to your Downloads folder. From here, you can print it or email the PDF to yourself to open it in the store. If you would like to export your meal plan, simply click on the Export button from your planner. If you want to export meal plans with recipes and lists as one single PDF, be sure to check out our business membership, which allows you to export PDF bundles with your custom branding on them. Our business membership will also allow you to see daily nutrition totals on the planner so you can keep client meal plans nutritionally balanced.